A whole-body vibration plate is a rectangular piece of exercise equipment that vibrates and oscillates at various frequencies. Users can stand, sit, or perform exercises on the vibrating plate, such as push-ups and squats. Many products are available to choose from vibration machines, each with several characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make a knowledgeable decision. I researched comprehensively, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best vibration machine from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products beneficial for people like you. Check my description if you want to know about the price and other information. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video to watch the best vibration machine. Number 1. LifePro Waver Vibration Plate Exercise Machine. LifePro's Waver Vibration Plate is our top overall pick because it's beginner-friendly, durable, and ultra-portable. We love that it offers a wide range of features, like an anti-slip rubber surface and suction cups for stability, a remote control for easy adjustments, 99 different speeds, and wheels for easy storage. Plus, at 31 pounds, it weighs much less than other options on our list. You can either set up your own workout or follow along with one of LifePro's many online classes. This plate also comes with 5 resistance bands for an added challenge. An easy-to-read display ensures you're always in control of your speed and workout intensity. However, the remote may not always easily connect to the board. The company offers a lifetime warranty, so you can shop confidently. Choose from 3 colors: black, white, or blue. Number 2. LifePro 3D Vibration Plate Exercise Machine. LifePro's 3D Turbo Vibration Plate is our top pick for a triplane vibration plate because it features 2 separate motors. In addition to oscillating, the plate also pulses, and you can use it in any of the 3 modes: oscillation, pulsation, or a combination of the 2. We like that it features a wider surface area than other plates on our list do, so it's easier to balance while you exercise. This plate weighs almost 40 pounds, so it's heavier than others on our list, but it has a handle and a wheel on the bottom to help with portability. Note that this plate's display doesn't have as many options as others do. Number 3. Super Deal Pro Vibration Plate Exercise Machine. The durable Super Deal Pro Vibration Plate features an upgraded ABS shell that supports up to 350 pounds. It's a really stable choice for heavier users. The entire platform has an anti-slip coating that keeps your feet firmly planted so you can move freely without worrying about sliding around. Designed for passive exercise, there are 99 vibration speeds to choose from. You can get your body used to the vibrations on a low setting, then ramp it up when you're feeling more adventurous. An included remote makes it easy to switch between speeds without disrupting your workout. If you want to burn more calories and tone your muscles faster, try incorporating moves such as push-ups, sit-ups, and yoga. The included resistance bands aren't super heavy, but they're effective for gentle stretching and light movements to target your upper body. Number 4. LifePro Vibration Plate Exercise Machine. For those suffering from chronic or acute pain, the Rhythm Body Shaker exercise machine can provide relief. Its efficient and gentle whole-body vibration, WBV, helps to relieve chronic pain, heal old damage, and accelerate recovery from recent injuries. With built-in heart trackers in each handrail, it's easy to monitor your level of intensity as you progress and improve. The machine also features 99 adjustable platform speeds, allowing you to take your vibration plate workout from a gentle recovery to a powerful one. The controls and display are clear and easy to use, allowing you to adjust your settings as you go. And with safety handrails on the side and anti-slip rubber on the body vibration platform, you can be sure you're working out safely and steadily. Number 5. Bluefin Fitness Vibration Platform. One of the best features of the Bluefin Fitness Pro is its ability to target stubborn fat mass areas while increasing muscle mass. It also includes adjustable resistance cords that attach securely to the steel base of the plate, allowing you to enhance your power plate workout and follow a guide for the best positive results. The Pro model also includes a BMI and calorie monitor with 2 integrated sensors on the handrail to track your progress as you exercise. It also offers 10 automatic programs, each lasting 10 minutes and featuring different intensities and types of vibration to provide a well-rounded workout. With over 1,800 Amazon customer reviews, the Bluefin Fitness Pro is a powerful and versatile home fitness solution with easy assembly and portability. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. If you need any more valuable information or if you want to know product's original price, do check out my description. For any kind of problems, please write a comment below. I can help you anytime further. Stay updated with our products as it will make your file much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.